Hi, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and perks are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any perk, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the notification bell for more videos so you see the products and hacks we've got in this video. This is a tool you can use for killing insects. It's really cool. This is an armchair. This is a rack you can use for your clothes, and this is a brush you can use for your body. This is a mobile phone holder you can use in the bathroom. This is an electric fan you can use for your feet. This is a shelf you can use for organizing your shoes. This is a cleaner you can use for cleaning your glasses. This is a smart trash bin. This is an egg holder you can use in your fridge. This is a folding small washing machine. This is a small cleaner you can use for the corners. This is a folding mop you can use for the floor. This is a frying pan you can use for making omelet. This is another folding washing machine. This is a rack you can use for toothbrushes. This is an electric pot you can use for cooking food. This is another fold-in washing machine. This is a box you can use for storing cereals. These are boxes you can use for organizing food in the fridge. This is an electric tap you can use for your feet. This is a cleaner you can use for cleaning your bed. This is another apartment. We'll see the tools we've got in this beautiful apartment. We've got this one you can use for your clothes. This is another egg holder. This is a tool you can use for compressing these plastic bags you can use for food. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.